Hello and welcome again everyone. In this brief video we are going to learn about drag and drop type of questions. So these are like fill in the blanks kind of questions where you have multiple blanks and every blank can be filled with one or other possible word. So let us see how to go ahead. So the type of question is this one, drag and drop. So we take it and I name it drag and drop, and I am just taking one paragraph about mechanical engineering. I copy pasted it, and this is like anything where you are asking some blanks to be filled. So the idea is I am going to remove this word and I want students to fill this word here. So you will write double brackets and in between you will write the number. So the number is 1. The number should be in the order like 1, 2, 3. So these are the choices which we are referring and they are in double brackets. So this is what I have to write 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the first one was diverse. I am taking maybe this word also, and this is my second one, and at that place I will write double brackets with 2. I can take one more word out, and that is my third, and this one. So now coming to the choices. First of all, please don't forget to click shuffle. Otherwise, your options will come in the same order. Or you could have done like 3, 1, 2 shuffling here. But that is more difficult. Instead, you keep the flow same and you shuffle here. Group A means this is our first question. So all of these, now if you want, you can make one more paragraph and the choices for second paragraph can go to group B. So first paragraph, first choices, second paragraph, second choices, and so on. Unlimited means even if you have picked one word for one blank, it can still be used. It will be available for filling the other blanks. So this is also a good choice to tick. So I save it and we look at the question. So this is our drag and drop and I preview this. So you can see there are 3 options, 3 blanks, and the student will have to just drag and drop these things. So I have done this and you can see these options are still available. I save it and I think I did only one correct, right? So I have only one correct, so I got 1 by 3 marks and the correct paragraph is shown to the students in the feedback. So this is about drag and drop, can be used in a variety of subjects where you are looking for exact missing words, and this can be one good option. Thank you.